It's Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. We're cleaning a steeple today. Actually at my church. We cleaned it before. Last time we used a lift. This time we're using a tuba ladder. So it gets us to a good enough angle to be able to spray that. We are using a roof mix on that. And it does have a metal roof. So that makes getting up on there. If this was a shingle roof, you can see how gradual that slope is. We would just get up there, walk it. Try pre-wet all the shingles just so they wouldn't get discolored, but we will be rinsing down the metal roof so that way it doesn't leave lots of sedation on there or whatever. Depending on your situation, and obviously this is my church, so it's a little bit different pricing wise. If you had to get a lift, obviously you got to figure that out too. And a lot of times if you're putting in a bid for cleaning a church steeple or cleaning a church building for that matter, I would just be upfront and honest with them and say, hey, do you guys have access to a lift? Do you have somebody in your congregation that could provide the lift? Because that quite frankly is the difference in, the roof. If we were going to charge, let's say $1,000 to clean the steeple, that's the difference between it being $1,000 and $2,000. Because that lift, to get up there, and depending on how big it is, you can see him spraying up there. The bigger the church, the higher the lift, the more expensive it's going to be just for that lift rental. And a lot of times you got a business owner that would like to write it off as a business deduction. Doesn't cost the church anything. They get, it's a win-win-win for everybody. So just a great way to be able to take care of, doing some work for God and beautifying your community. This is also something too, guys, if you do this, make sure that you're getting, that you're getting video of it, that you're getting pictures so that you can post that and build that goodwill. People again want to see people who care about their community, people that are doing good, that are cleaning things. Last time we did it, we just wrote it off. We'll probably do the same thing or just enough to cover the labor of my guys that are out here today. We'll be cleaning some more of the building just to make sure that it looks nice and neat and everything, getting in for summertime. And the guys had finished the commercial work that we had earlier today, so just wanted to be able to, give them a little bit of work to do, make sure we get everything nice, clean and all, and again, give them back. So have a great day, guys.